Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, my software is showing me that I should take a sell very soon. We started this account with $250. We are at $1,660 profit so far. Let's see how many trades I want to say my take profits quickly because I just took a sell trade now. Okay, and yeah, we have made let's see how many trades we can take today. I'm going to record all my trades today. Let's see if we can get to $2,000 profit so far. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back with profits. And there you go, take profit hits. This is why I like scalping. You can make so much fast profits in the market. In less than 4 minutes, we've made about, let's see, $40. And yeah, this is what happens when you're using the right strategy. You have confidence because you've seen this happen over and over and over again. So let's see how much more trades we can record for the day. We'll be right back with more profits very soon. And there you go, my software is showing me a buy. Remember guys, if you want to copy my trades for free, click the link in the description below. Join Myoga Markets. Make sure you have at least $300 to $400 in your account to be able to copy my trades, and you can copy my trades for free. Send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. Also link in the description below. And there you go, take profit hits. Remember guys, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, if you want to learn live, because I teach my students with live trades also how to do this, and you also get the software too, you can go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back with another trade. We made $15 so far extra, and we'll be recording more trades very soon. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, so my software has shown me another trade, and we're going to take a sell trade. My software showed me a sell, and we'll be right back with more profits very soon. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment for more videos like this for the engagement. And there you go, take profits hits. We made another $35. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, where you'll learn with live trades and get the software. We'll be right back with another trade very soon. All right guys, so my software is giving me another buy signal, so I'm going to take a buy very soon. And there you go. Let's go to the 5 minutes. I've taken the buy. Okay, I'm setting my take profits. Remember, if you want to copy my trades for free, join with the broker link Myoga Markets. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades for free, and also join the free Telegram group link in the description below. We'll be right back with more profits in the market. And there you go, another $25 added to the account. We're going to record all the trades for 2nd of June 2023, and we'll be right back with another trade very soon. And my software is giving me a buy signal. I'm taking a trade. I'm setting my take profit. This is so easy guys. We'll be right back with more profits very soon. And there you go, we're going to the 1 minute time frame. That's another $28 added to the account. We'll be right back with another trade in the market. The AI does all the analysis, tells me when and where to buy, when and where to sell, and I just click buy or sell. It does all the analysis. It comes with the course for free, and we'll be right back with another trade very soon. All right guys, I'm already in this trade. I entered before I started recording the trade. Look at all the profits we've made so far today. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. Whoa guys, look, the trade I took the last time, NFP came and hit. I took another trade and I made $240 plus another $80, $320 because news came because of NFP. I've made $400 so far. Wow. All right guys, let's look back a bit. We've made $400 today so far. We started with $250. Remember, we've made over $2,000 in total. $2,000 in total. Let's scroll down. Look at all the profits. $2,000 in total. Let's get back into more trades. My software shows me a sell. Okay, I have to set the take profit very quick because it looks like it's moving so aggressively fast to take profits. We'll be right back with more profits. Like, share, and subscribe. And there you go, that's another $40 made today. We've made over $2,000 profit so far. Let's see if we can make $500 profits. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back with another trade very soon. Okay guys, I had to take a buy. I had to take it before I started recording. Look at all the profits we've made today so far. We'll be right back with more profits very soon. Like, share, and subscribe. And there you go, $60 made. We're almost very close to making $500 for the day. Let's look. We've made $490 so far. Let's check for the day. Just $10 left. $10 left for us to make $500. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trade very soon. I think we have a sell. All right, so we did have a sell. I'll take that very quick, set my take profit very quick, and we'll be right back with more profits very soon in the market. All right, take profit hit. more than $500 made for the day, and we'll record one last trade for you guys today. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. All right, so our last trade for the day, my software is showing me a buy, so we'll be taking a buy. I'll set my take profit, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, last trade for the day, $30. We've made more than $500 today on a very small account. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to copy my trades for free, join with the Muga Markets link in the description below. Fund your account with at least $300 to $500 and send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. We'll be right back with more scalping videos next week. Make sure you subscribe.